Number 1. FlashForge Adventurer 3 Lite 3D Printers 2020. Filament compatibility, PLA ABS Pearl PLA color change. / metal filled wood filled high speed. PLA. Number 2. Creality Ender 3D2 3D Printers 2020. Enhanced durability, and all metal frame provide the extra rigidity you need for consistently great prints. Equipped with a new Meanwell power supply that delivers stable and consistent power for the better performance. Number 3. Raise3D E2 3D Printers 2020. Independent Dual Extruders, E2, features Raise3D's IDEX technology, which allows the printer to produce 2 models at once, compatible with a variety of materials. E2 works with a wide variety of 1.75mm filament materials. Number 4. Qidi Tech 10 Plus 3D Printers 2020. The X Plus with pioneered creation of 2 different ways for placing the filament. The X Plus 3D printer kit comes with 2 different types of extruder assembly. Number 5. Dremel DigiLab 3D 40 Flex Printers 2020. Windows, MacOS, Chromebook and iPad compatible, with cloud-based software included. Network-friendly with Wi-Fi, Ethernet and USB connectivity. Also equipped with static IP and proxy for quick and easy network setup.